Welcome back, everyone. So today we're going to be doing a bit of work on the Corrado. I kind of want to get stuck into this interior because it stinks and it doesn't look very nice. So we're going to see if we can clean it up a bit, see how far we get. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it, but we'll give it a go. Right, so looking at these carpets here, obviously we've got the seat out now, they're actually in two pieces. So I can probably, and which I'm gonna do, is take it outside and jet wash it, put some TFR on it, scrub it and jet wash it, because it's gonna be so much easier. And it's a really nice hot day today, so hopefully they'll dry quickly. So let's whip this out. Obviously we're going to bag all this up first so we know where all this goes. This is door handles and switches and screws for door cards and stuff like that. So we'll get all that bagged up and then I'll pull this side of the carpet out and see what we can do with it. Alright, carpet's out. Plenty of treasures in here. I found 50p from 2004. Apparently, I mean this is obviously window glass. So apparently, it looks like rear screen. Looks like it's got an element in it. As usual, the camera won't focus. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, so apparently the story is, I've been hearing a few stories about this car because it's a local car, so a lot of people have seen this car or know about this car. Apparently all the windows got done at some point when it was parked up, obviously out of action. So there's a bit of glass in here, but we're going to clean all that up. What I'm going to do now, I've taken the carpet over to the doorway, so I'm going to go over there. We're going to basically, I'm going to soak it in TFR, scrub it, and then jet wash it and leave it out in the sun. Because today it is, what is it today? Wednesday? No, it's Tuesday. I don't even know what day it is. It's Tuesday and it's supposed to be the hottest day today. Apparently 32 degrees here. So we're not as bad as in London, but it's pretty hot. And also, I found the horn underneath the seat. So, sweet. Well, I'd say they're looking a little bit better. I mean, they're not like new, but because there is some sun fade in, but at least they're clean. Hopefully once they're dry, go with this one. It did actually take a bloody long time to do this. It's the driver's one. Got a couple of bits to get off here, something there. Don't know what that is, but let's see if we can get off with a bit of solvent. Again, there's a little bit there. But all in all, I think that's come out pretty well. This is always the most satisfying bit, I find, when you pour the dirty water out and see how manky it is. Not that bad. That's pretty good, actually. I guess we got rid of most of it when we were jet washing it. Obviously, that's just where I've vaxed them after I finish them. But yeah, all good. All right, I'm going to move on now. Go back in the workshop. I'm going to hoover out underneath the carpets. Oh, well, I'm happy with that. I mean, it's looking better. The more it dries, the better it's looking. Good old jet wash. I say good job the carpets come out, because if it's something like an E30 or BMW, they don't come out. Well, they do come out, but the right pain, you've got to remove all this. But luckily this is in 2 bits. Yeah, looking good. Well, next bit is the dash, but I cannot do any more today. I'm actually dripping with sweat. So we'll let this fully dry and we'll come back to it tomorrow. Okay, it's day 2. The carpets are now dry and looking absolutely spanking. So this lot is next. So the dashboard, all the vents, whatever crap that is in there, clean that out. All of this dirt. Just a few bits of trim, but yeah, so we're going to get all the dash bits cleaned up. There's obviously no door cards because they're off, to get the handles off, because we need to paint the outside. Looking a bit manky in the back. Thing is, with this interior, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this interior yet, because there's missing bits, it's mismatched, and the seat, it's over there at the moment. The seat has quite a bit of wear on the bolster, so might have to find another interior, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get this dashboard cleaned up and let's see what it looks like. Well, so that's that for the minute. All the interior, well, I'll say all the interior, the main bulk of the interior is now done. Next on the list is this bad boy. So next video you see, it will be, we're going to dry ice blast this. So I'm going to get some ice ordered and dry ice blast all this. Also, I forgot to mention, the car actually has a new fuel pump now. So I, tell me here, what's that noise again? You haven't heard that noise? Check out my TikTok. It's a very familiar noise. Right, let's pop this back on. So now, if I turn the ignition on, we've got, very slowly moving, a fuel gauge, and it fires up by itself, running off its own fuel. I did actually have to clean the fuel tank out because the fuel that was in there was black. Obviously been in there a long time, so I managed to suck that out with like an old washer bottle pump, and then mopped out what was left, cleaned it, and then refilled it with fresh fuel. So now it starts up by itself. So anyway, I think that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment if you like. All criticisms welcome. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.